Very often in Microsoft Excel, you might have a cell that you want to put a border around. The way you do it is the first thing you do is you highlight the cell, and then you go into Format, clicking this little down arrow. And then you go all the way to the bottom and you click on Format Cells. And then you click over here where it says Border. Then what you're going to want to do is choose your border style, which is probably not the default because it's too thin. Let's choose this nice thick border style. Then we click this middle thing that says Outline, and then we click OK. And if you look at this, we have a beautiful border around a cell.